the remover of obstacles, Lord Ganesha, the beloved deity. Lord Ganesha holds a special place in Hindu mythology and in the hearts of millions. He is the elephant-headed god, worshipped by millions across the world. We know him as the son of Shiva and Parvati, the divine couple. Ganesha is Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles, clearing the path for his devotees. He is also the bestower of wisdom, knowledge and good fortune. Ganesha's image is both unique and endearing, capturing hearts with his charm. His elephant head represents wisdom, strength and intellectual prowess. His large ears signify a patient listener, always ready to hear our prayers. His small eyes denote focus, determination and keen insight. Hindus pray to Ganesha before starting anything new, seeking his blessings. This includes important ventures, journeys, or even daily tasks, ensuring success. His blessings are sought for a smooth and successful journey in life, filled with prosperity and joy. Life is full of challenges. We all face obstacles in our paths. These obstacles can be physical, mental, or emotional. Sometimes they seem insurmountable. Ganesha, as Vignaharta, helps us overcome these obstacles. He guides us through difficult times. His blessings give us the strength and wisdom to persevere. When we pray to Ganesha, we surrender our worries to him. We seek his divine intervention in our lives. This act of surrender brings peace and hope. It allows us to face our challenges with renewed courage. Praying to Ganesha doesn't require elaborate rituals. A simple prayer offered with sincerity is enough. Find a quiet space where you can connect with the divine. Light a lamp and offer incense if you wish. Start by chanting Ganesha's name. Visualize his image in your mind. Offer him flowers, fruits or sweets. Then with a pure heart, offer your prayers. Share your worries and anxieties with Ganesha. Ask for his guidance and strength. Thank him for his blessings and protection. The power of Ganesha mantras. Mantras are powerful sound vibrations. They connect us to the divine. Chanting Ganesha mantras can enhance your prayers. It invokes his blessings and grace. Om Ganganapataye Namo Namah is a popular Ganesha mantra. It translates to salutations to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. Chanting this mantra with devotion can bring peace and clarity. Another powerful mantra is Vakratunda Mahakaya. This mantra praises Ganesha's strength and wisdom. It helps in removing obstacles and fulfilling desires. Overcoming obstacles with Ganesha's grace. When we pray to Ganesha, we invite his grace into our lives, seeking his divine intervention. We open ourselves to his divine guidance, allowing his wisdom to illuminate our path. This guidance helps us navigate through challenges, providing clarity and direction. Ganesha's blessings give us the strength to face our fears and the courage to overcome them. They empower us to make wise decisions, ensuring we stay on the right path. With his grace, we can overcome any obstacle in our path, no matter how daunting it may seem. Remember, obstacles are a part of life, and they test our resilience. They are opportunities for growth and learning, shaping us into better individuals. With Ganesha's blessings, we can turn these obstacles into stepping stones, paving the way for success and fulfillment. Finding success with Ganesha's guidance. Ganesha is not only the remover of obstacles, but also the bestower of success. His divine presence brings clarity and focus to our minds. He blesses us with wisdom, intelligence, and good fortune. These qualities are essential for navigating life's challenges. When we pray to Ganesha for success, we invite his blessings into our endeavors. His guidance helps us stay on the right path. We seek his guidance in making the right choices, ensuring our actions are aligned with our goals. Ganesha's blessings pave the way for success, removing hurdles and providing a clear path forward. They help us achieve our goals and fulfill our dreams, whether in education, career, or personal life. However, we must remember that success is not just about material gains. It's about inner peace and spiritual growth. It's also about living a life of purpose and meaning, guided by Ganesha's wisdom and compassion.